With COVID cases on the rise, a local healthcare center is now dealing with a number of new cases as well. Masonicare telling Eyewitness News more than a dozen patients, along with some staff members, recently tested positive. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief McFarland is live right now with the mobile newsroom. He's in Wallingford tonight with the latest on all of this for us. Matt.
Well, hi there, Mark. Masonicare says the good news is that all of these positive cases, either mild symptoms or no symptoms at all. Now, Masonicare here in Wallingford, they tell us that a staffer started feeling a little under the weather 2 weeks ago. They tested positive for COVID-19. Once they started testing the entire floor, they quickly discovered 14 patients and 4 additional employees who live and work in that same unit. Well, they had COVID as well. Now, according to the health center, the cases are limited to one floor, and those who are positive, again, are either showing mild symptoms or no symptoms at all. Now, while Masonicare is open to visitors and masks are required for everyone who's there, that impacted unit is off limit for now as folks are quarantined. And listen to this, 96% of the folks at the healthcare center are vaccinated, and we're told everyone who recently tested positive here was vaccinated as well.
This is such a stark contrast from a year ago, where we saw COVID positive cases that were very symptomatic, highly symptomatic. We're not seeing that now. We're seeing folks with no symptoms and we're telling them that they tested positive. We're seeing folks with very mild symptoms. There is nobody with respiratory distress.
Now, after seeing these recent cases, Masonicare says it made a number of changes. The biggest one, going back to increased testing. We'll have that part of the story coming up tonight on Eyewitness News at 5:30. We're live with the mobile newsroom in Wallingford. McFarland, Channel 3, Eyewitness News.